Have you ever run into a problem where someone asks you what are the specifications of the computer that you're using and you didn't know the answer? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to teach you 3 ways how you can find out the specifications of the computer that you're currently using. Stay till the end of the video to watch all 3 ways. Welcome to this week's video. This is the first episode in Geeky Athlete Tech Ed 101 series. I'm in the middle of moving out, so I thought why not solve a problem that many of the people face when we're interacting on Instagram, and I asked them what are their specifications. So plenty of people don't know how they can check their specifications. So I made this new series to address those issues and teach you new basic things about tech. So let's get started with the first way of how you can find out your specifications. Open up your laptop or your PC, and after it's boot up, you have to find out your start button. So right click on your start button and go here in the system. Once you click system, it is going to open an about page, and here is going to be listed your basic specifications like processor and how much RAM you have installed and the Windows build number that you're currently using. So here you can see processor and the RAM installed and amount usable. Also you want to see your operating system type. Is it a 32-bit or a 64-bit system right here? So these Windows specifications, they come in handy if your Windows is ever running into errors or like crashing randomly. So you can tell the OS build number on the forums, and it'll be easier for them to help you in that regard. So this was the first method. Now let's move on to the second method, which is also very easy. It is using Task Manager. So you can either right click on the status bar and go to Task Manager, or you can use Ctrl Shift and Escape keys. Both will open this Task Manager. So here we have to go into the Performance tab, and there it is. You will get all the information about your system, and the bonus thing is you will get the real-time information how these components are being used. Like you can say here, my CPU is being used 23 to 27% right now at 3.8 GHz speed, while its base speed is 2.6 GHz, and it is 4-core and 8-threaded processor. Other than that, you can also see the memory information, how many slots you are currently using. So this specific laptop that I'm currently using has 2 slots and is expandable up to 16 GBs. So that is what you're seeing here. And you can also see the clock speed of your RAM here. Other than these, you will also see your GPU usage and your Wi-Fi and the disk that you have installed. Moving on to the third method, which is also very easy, and what you have to do is just open your browser and search for CPU-Z and enter. After you hit enter, the first link, you have to open it. You have to see here where it is classic version. You don't have to use the custom version, just go to the classic and choose any one of these, setup or zip. I generally go for the zip because it makes it easier and it is portable, so I can just install it on a flash drive and I just take it with me. Download this zip. It is roughly 3 MBs in size, and I'm quickly gonna extract it and show you what. So I've extracted the files that I got, and now there are 2 files. So you have to see here what type of operating system you're using, and you have to open the file specific to that. So mine is 64-bit operating system, so I'm gonna open the 64-bit file and give it the appropriate permissions, and it is gonna load all the information into it. And it is pretty advanced software, so you get a lot of information here. You can even get your chipset and other things without even having to open your desktop. So as you can see, the processor name is here, the socket it is using, the TDP of the processor, and the cores and the threads that it has. And you can also see the clock speeds right now of all the cores. Other than these, you can also see your BIOS information here, which is for me right now it is 1.3.1 version. And you can see the memory. Is it running a dual channel memory or a single channel? Dual channel is when there are 2 RAMs in slots, 2 slots, and single channel is when there is just 1 RAM. And the type of RAM, it is DDR3L for me, and it is a 8 GB RAM with a frequency there. And then you can see the slot information. If you'll have multiple slots, then it will show you all those slots here. And you can also see the information about your graphic card. Other than these, it is really great to benchmark your processor right here. So I can just run a benchmark quickly and see what kind of performance my processor gives me. In multi-threading, it will give me about 2000 score, and on single threading I think it will give me 300 something. So yeah, I can even compare my processor to the latest processors. So this is how you can see all your information in just one place. CPU-Z is very good utility, and you might not even need it. You can get the basic information that you need through the task manager or your basic display. So these were the 3 ways that you can know your system specifications. If you already knew them, comment in the comment section below with "I knew it." Do not forget to press the like button down below and share this video with your friends so that they may also learn this. Thank you for supporting my channel so much, and there are going to be plenty more videos like this in the future. And if you have a certain topic in mind that you would like me to cover, so please drop it in the comment section below. Thank you for all the support. Keep smiling and keep supporting. And before going, bye bye Siddharth. See you next time.